Welcome back, my financial freedom fighters. It's your favorite family member, Money Mel Jr. And today, what we're going to talk about is credit. So, I see people in the comments and then also on other people's videos talking about when it comes to their credit, they say, well, most of the credit card, they say things as to, let me get this marker. They say things as to, when you have your credit card, you want to, how it go? You want to spend on it so you can show utilization. So when they report to the credit bureau, other creditors can see that you're using your credit card, or so to say. So what we're going to do right here, I'm going to just draw a credit card. I got that new credit card. It's that purple credit card. Okay. So I'll put Visa in here. All right, let's just say I got this credit card. Whatever card. And then let's just hypothetically say I'm going to apply for a Best Buy credit card. So this is my Best Buy credit card. Now, so this credit card I got right here, let's just say who this Bank of America. Let's put Bank of America. Okay. So let's say this credit card right here. I have this Bank of America's credit card in my wallet. So this is my credit card. Now, so I don't have this yet. We're going to say I do not have this card yet. So I have Bank of America. Let's just say my credit limit is 1,000. Now, with Bank of America credit card, they want to see that you're using their credit card. They want to they want to see that you're practicing good credit habits, that you want to stay under 9%. I say 9%. So you don't want to carry a balance over 9% on this card. You want to use this card, you know what I'm saying, to do your everyday things that you will already spend money on. So you don't want to go out of your way to spend money, because we want to save and accumulate money, wealth, and all the good stuff. Now, that's what Bank of America. So when I'm going to apply for this Best Buy card, because I want to deck out, you know, the man cave, or hook up the new YouTube studio or something of that nature, right? When I go and I fill out the credit application, Best Buy is not going to contact Bank of America and ask them, hey, Bank of America, Mel is trying to get a credit card with us. How is he using your credit card? Is he practicing good money habits? Do he spend on your credit card each month? Do he buy things? Do he pay them off? Best Buy is not going to do that. Best Buy can care less of how I'm using my Bank of America's credit card that I already have. The only thing that Best Buy care about is that I'm practicing good payment habits on my card, meaning the money that I do spend, that I'm paying it back off, that I'm not over 30%. So all the credit consumers or whatever, 30%, you stay under that, you're good. But I tell people 9%, so you can continue to increase your credit score, and it just looks better. All right, so Best Buy gonna say, okay, Bank of America, does Mel pay off his credit bill and whatever? And Bank of America gonna be like, Best Buy, stop talking to us. We don't talk to you like that. Don't be coming asking us any questions. He was like, Bank of America be like, you better go check his credit report. So Best Buy, I'm like, all right, okay, that's how you want to be. So Best Buy have to go and pull my credit report because them two are not talking. So Best Buy goes and pull the credit report. And on the credit report, what they're going to see is my credit card utilization. And on the credit card utilization, they just want to make sure I'm not in a high utilization of credit card. Then they're going to look at my other credit accounts that's on my credit report to make sure things are in good standing. So this Bank of America's credit card that I have in my wallet, they're not going to tell Best Buy or the credit bureau of how I spend my money on that credit card. Well, how I spend my credit, or what I buy, or how long do it take for me to pay it off within 30 days. They're not going to report none of that. So when people say bad things and pay it off quickly on your credit card so they can see that you're using the card and your score can go up, that does not matter. The only thing that matters with this card is that when you use it, you pay the bill by the due date, and that you make sure that your balance that you're carrying over is not over 30%. But you want to aim for the A category, which is 9% and below. That's if you cannot pay the full balance. Now people ask about your credit score going up and how you pay it and how you use it. If you want your credit score to be the highest it can be with your credit card, you want to carry over no balance. No balance. The 9% and under theory is only for when you are seeking to improve your credit limit down the line so the credit card can see that you are using it. And that's just for who you have the credit card with. That's not going for new credit down the line, because no matter how you use this card, long as you're in good standing, when you go to get a new credit card, that's what all they will see on your credit report. So that's the only thing. So that's what you want to keep in mind. You just don't want to be over 30% balance carryover. You want to aim for 9 or below. And if you want the highest credit score possible, you don't want to carry no balance over. And if you're looking to increase your credit limit with this card down the line, then you can do the 9 to 1% theory as you go on. Granted, people will say, well, I got my credit limit improved without carrying any balance or anything of that nature, which is true. The credit cards will do a soft credit pull on your card to see how are you using their card, and are you in good standing with balances, are you carrying over, things of that nature. And some of them will automatically increase your credit card limit. When I talk about the 9% to 1% theory, when you have cards like this, I'm talking about increasing your credit limit dramatically. Give you a prime example, myself, which is, I talk about a lot of this because it comes from myself and others who I've helped. With myself, I had a credit card 500 limit. When I learned how to become the master of the credit score, I took my credit card from a 500 limit to a 25,000 limit, from a 25,000 limit to a 50,000 limit. And I began with a 500 credit score. Not credit score, a 500 limit. So what I'm telling you this, it works in so many words. So I hope I explained this well about, people telling people how they need to use this card, buying things, and then quickly paying off to show utilization so their credit score could go up. Because that's trash. So I hope I explained that well. If I did not explain that well, drop your question down below and I will answer it. And if you want a more directly approach to me, you can follow me on IG at financial_freedom_fighters_. Connect with me. Let's get this ball rolling. All right, family. Y'all have a good one.